Hey everyone, we're back again. It's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we're going to be unboxing something that I couldn't actually get in the UK. You can get the orange label Dunks in the UK. What you can't get in the UK, or I haven't been able to find, is the orange label Dunk Mid from Nike SB. I just come back from the US and I thought I'd pick a pair up there, which I have done. So let's get to it. Shall we have a look? And SJ, you can tell that I haven't actually bought these directly from Nike because they're in a proper shoebox. Everyone, I popped into Atlas in San Mateo, just got back from there, and this was the purchase that I made. So let's have a look. So they are, first of all, just so you know, they're a Nike SB Dunk Mid Pro ISO. That's a US 11.5, that's UK 10.5, everyone, and they're black, white, black, and they're CD 6754001. Let's have a quick look at the box, SJ. Orange label, plain brown, as you can see. There you go. First thing to know as well, you get this little extra sheet of paper because it's the orange label. Let's go in here, boom, boom, and I'll get the alternate laces. Oh, I think the alternate laces I put in there, I did. So put those down there. Thanks Atlas, San Mateo. Have a look. Now, you're just thinking, that's a plain black Dunk Mid. It might be, but these you can only buy in skate stores. And these materials, everyone, before we even get into it, these materials, before I show SJ on Sneaker Cam, these materials are amazing. We've all seen a Dunk Mid. That is a lovely gum sole. Then you've got a white midsole. But the thing I really want to show everyone, SJ, right, let's get in here so we can loosen this bad boy off. Let's have a look at the materials, because this is, it's like a nubuck leather. Now, I don't know if that's coming up, but you literally, I can see the nap changing. It's so nice. I don't know if any of you got the deconstructed series last year, but you know how nice the materials were on that. This is that kind of nice. Super, super nice. So yeah, we've got that black nubuck there, and all across, you know, it's lovely everywhere. And then the white swoosh, interestingly, I don't know if it's a fake tumbled, but it just feels really nice. It's such a clean design. Comes all the way around, as you'd expect. The other nice little touch on the end of the laces, the eglock, or I'm going to call it the lace cap because I can't remember what the real word is. I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments. Please tell me in the comments, because we discussed this on Sneaker Streaming Sunday and I could not remember what these were called. I can't remember again. What we can see there though is, I don't know if is that picking up, SJ? We're going to come back to the shoe because what it also says, so you've got like obviously a black Nike SB here, offset at an angle. On the inside, it says here, support your local on the top there. You got that? We've also got alternate laces. So they obviously come laced as always with the Dunk, not always, but with these, it's a black lace, but we've also got a white. The thought is that I might actually swap the black for the white. Thought, SJ? Yep, I think that's a definite yes from SJ. So all in, I know it's not the most exciting Dunk in the world, but I will say that these very much, if you want a good solid Dunk, these are amazing. So much so, I think, that we've actually, now that SJ's seen the quality of the materials in hand, I think she might actually pick up the white blazer version of these. Price point is really, really good, and the materials are absolutely stupendous. I would say to everyone, go out and buy these. So we all know that these kind of sold out in different places. You can still get them, but everyone loves these. And in fact, I was talking to a guy in Atlas and he picked up the Dunk Low and he just said, yep, they are great to skate in. The Dunk's obviously usually quite nice to skate in, but the materials just make it like apparently they're surviving really, really well. So again, I know I've shouted them out a lots in this video. Lots in this video. If you are in the Bay Area, go and check out Atlas because they are really friendly guys in there. I'm really, really I pop back in there every 6 to 8 weeks, and they remember every time. Nice guys. So everyone, if you haven't subscribed, it's somewhere down there. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to smash that old notification bell because it will really help. Huxley, don't run off with a cable. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave us comments below. And if you're around on Sunday evenings, that is Sunday evenings in the UK, we are on streaming every Sunday, 8 PM UK time. But if you're in the US, that's about 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM people on the East Coast. And if you're in Tokyo, I think that's about 5 AM, Singapore, probably 4 AM. Oh, SJ's just reminded me of something. What they also gave me was, if you're really interested, it came with this canvas tote. Nike SB getting into the old hipster bags. I'm gonna put that down there. Huxley, what do you say to these? Is this yours? Come on, up, up, up. Do you like these? Wait, wait, up, up, up. Do you like these? No? You want those Rookie of the Year Jordans? You should prefer these. Don't prefer those. Right, people, I've really got to go. This is a short and sweet one, I hope, but I just wanted to show you these because they are a super nice shoe. Hopefully doing a cinematic on foot of these in a few weeks once we come back from another trip. So anyway, peeps, I'm out of here. See ya. Bye. It's good, isn't it, SJ?
Classic.
Thoughts? Thoughts, dog? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Oh my word.
Jet lag.
No, as F.